In my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful Friday today. Well, not really beautiful. It's beautiful. I think every day is a beautiful day. But it's just overcast and it's been raining off and on here in Florida. But let me get to the topic. 7 car smells and what they mean. You know, sometimes you drive and you smell, hey, what is this smell? Could be some kind of chemical, some rotten smell, this smell, that smell, some type of smell, burning smell. You just don't know. So I went on the Toyota website, since I have a Toyota, and I was like, you know what, let me see what they have on this. And as I said, all vehicles is not the same. Most of them is similar, you know, because you could smell a burning brake smell. It referred to basically the same thing, you know. But anyways, here we go. 7 car smells and what they mean. It may mean a serious or costly mechanical issue depending on the odor. Everyone loves that new car smell, right? Well, if you don't keep up on maintenance, your car could... Oh, sorry about that. I should have turned off all my notification, but I didn't. Anyways, everyone loves that new car smell, right? Well, if you don't keep up on your maintenance, your car could start producing some less savory smell instead. All right. Being aware of the smell your car produce can help you. I need to turn off my wipers too. I'm in the car as well. All right. Being aware of the smell your car produce can help you diagnose problem before you see them or before they become irreversible. Car smells you can't ignore. Number 1, rotten eggs. Here we go. The gasoline that fuels your car contains trans amount of sulfur. This creates a byproduct called hydrogen sulfate, which smell like the eggs you forgot in your trunk for a week after grocery shopping. Oh no. The catalytic converter is a critical part of your exhaust system because it takes this byproduct and convert it into odorless sulfur dioxide. If you start smelling rotten eggs when your car is running, your catalytic converter needs to be replaced. Unfortunately, this is usually a pricey fix, but it may be covered on the warranty. Oh Lord, I don't have warranty on this 2007, so if I end up with this problem, I'll be in trouble. But yes, guys, all cars do have catalytic converter. Just to put that out there. Alright, so yes, so that's number 1. Your catalytic converter, yeah. If I know back then, I can't remember what year Chevys. When you, it is bad to overfill your tank. Like when you go to the gas station and fill your tank, and when you hear that first click, you should basically stop. You should not try to overfill, because that could damage. I don't know about the smell part, but I know it could damage your catalytic converter. Well, actually, no, not damage it. It could damage something that caused your car. Man, I can't remember. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, guys, that I can't even give you guys my full testimony or what happened. But it could damage something for your car, so it's not good to overfill. It's not good to drive on low fuel as well, because low fuel could also, you could pick up something from the bottom of the tank, like dust, like dirt, or a piece of plastic, and that could mess up your fuel pump. But I know it's not good to overfill your tank either. It's not good to always overfill your tank. It could damage something. I can't remember the name of it. All right. Number 2, maple syrup. If you're walking around the car and you get a whiff of maple syrup, you could be leaking coolant. Coolant contains, I can't even pronounce this word right here, which smells sweet, but it's actually very toxic. Yeah, you guys know how coolant smell. It is sweet. The fix could be as simple as tightening a loose radiator cap or replacing hose or gasket. If you notice the smell inside the car, it's likely that you have a bad heater core. Alright, so if your thing is leaking coolant, usually it's gonna, if you have a garage too, or even if you don't have a garage and you come downstairs, or every time you go to your vehicle you smell this sweet smell, that your car is leaking coolant. And that's not good, because if your coolant go too low, you also could your car could start overheating if you're too low on coolant. So make sure you guys check on that if you have that type of problem, if you smell any of that. All right, number 3, fire and brimstone. Okay, you can relax, it's not the end just yet. What you smell is sulfur from a leaky gear housing and transmission. The gear lube is these components of the drivetrain contain sulfur compounds that act as extreme pressure lubricant. Over time, the lube will start to deteriorate and even leak, emitting a sulfur smell. You can check for a leak by inspecting any oil substance left behind by your car. If it smells like sulfur, it's time to visit your mechanic. Number 4, burning moldy newspaper. If you smell a smoldering moldy newspaper, you're either passing by a I can't even pronounce that word, spring cleaning bonfire, or you've got clutch problems. Oh man, this sounds pricey. This smell results from friction material actually burning off the clutch as it slips. If you smell this under normal driving condition, your clutch is failing and needs to be replaced. Number 5, gas station. The only time you smell of gas should be in the air around your car is when you are refueling. A questionable gasoline odor coming from your car is an indication of a leak. The most likely culprits are a fuel injection line or fuel tank vent hose. Number 6, locker room. And I know a lot of people have this problem too for like a lot of older cars. It could happen to new cars as well too, but majority is like when you have the car over time. We all remember what the high school gym locker room used to smell like, and you probably thought you left it behind for good. However, your AC unit could have other plans. If you smell that familiar sour darkness in your cabin, it probably means that there's mildew in your AC vents. There are a few ways to solve this problem. The simplest being running air through the vents with the AC off. If you can't dry it out yourself, it's best to have a technician take care of it for you. Number 7, burn carpet. If you smell burned carpet while you are driving, your brake pads are overheated. While this is normal on the intense braking condition like driving down a mountain pass, you shouldn't smell this on the tropical driving condition. The most common cause for this is a size culprit, a size caliper piston. But brake can overheat for a numerous of reasons. Maintaining your brakes is the best way to avoid problems like these. There are many smells in the world, some good, some bad. Whether we like it or not, we get to experience them all. If your car is in good health, it should be emitting no smell, at least none that are hurriedly unpleasant. Being aware of what the bad smell are and what they mean can help you diagnose a problem before it gets worse. I hope you guys learned something from this article. Like, it really does. Hopefully you guys it really help you guys out, learn about your vehicle, because our vehicle is our daily need in life, going places to places, back and forth, work, back and forth, grocery shopping. You really need your vehicle, and it's better to diagnose your problem before you take it to the mechanic. As I said, a lot of mechanics out here will rip you off. So it's best to diagnose the problem yourself and then take it in and tell them, hey, this is the problem that you encounter, and just hopefully they don't overcharge you and take care of the problem. Well, if you guys have any questions or anything, just leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the love and the support. I love it, guys. I love y'all. Well, peace. Don't forget to wear your mask, wash your hands, and be safe out there, man. Corona is still alive and well. Peace out and bye-bye.
Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money.